Hi everyone, I'm back with a new video of LeetCode series. Today we are going to solve question number 520 or detect capital. This is easy problem statement. Let's set the statement for better understanding. We defined the usage of capital in word to be right when one of the following case holds. Let's read the cases. First case is all letters in word are capital like USA. All letters in word not capital like lead code. Only the first letter in this word is capital like Google. You can see that the in Google G only capital and USA you can see that the all are capital and lead code you can see that. Any letter is not capital. And let's see the example for better understanding. You can see that the in example number one, input word is equal to USA. All letters are capital. That's the reason output is true. And the second example is flag. You can see that the F capital, L small, G small, and sorry, A small, but G is capital. That's the reason is the output is false because in the three conditions, any condition is not following this word. Let's see the code for solution. Let's see. Firstly, we will create the count. It will count how many capital words how many capital letters in word. Let's run the for loop. I less than word dot size. I plus and if word of I greater than is equal to a sorry greater than equal to a and word of I less than is equal to z, then we will just increment count plus and if in outer side of loop if count is equal to word length word dot size or count is equal to 0 or count is equal to 1 and word of first letter word of first letter greater than a and word of first letter less than is equal to z and here must comes is equal to and we will just return 10 to otherwise we will just return false. Return false. Let's see the test cases. Oh, sorry, here is an sorry, here written mistake. Let's you can see that the our two tests are passed. Let's submit it. You can see that the our code is submitted, and let's I explain you. In the first loop, you can see that this is checking the how many characters are in capital and it increments count by one. And you can see that the in if condition we are just checking that if the count is equal to size, then we are returning true because you can see that the in USF all character are capital. So this condition true then return true and the count equal to 0, it means it for all capitals are small. You can see that in lead code, and you can see that the here is the count is equal to 1. It is for the third condition. You can see that the G is capital, and you can see that the first letter is capital, then it will return true. And for this condition, the time complexity is of n, and the space complexity is of 1, because we are not storing any kind of variables. And thank you for watching.